Hello students, this is one of the overview of the Roman numbers. Now we are going to learn the English to Roman in a most easiest way. So you can recall all the number starting from 1 up to the 50. This is a basic limit. Now and from the next onwards, if you are going to learn, you can learn up to the 100 also. So this is the some of the easiest way. First we have to remember what is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, and another one we have to write down 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. So the basic is here 1, 5, 10 and 50. Okay, will you remember this? For 1 it is I, for 5 it is for the V, for 10 is X, and for 50 is L. It is easy for all the students? Yes. For 1 it's I, for 5 it's V, for 10 is X, and for 50 is L. You have to just remember these 4 things: I, V, X and L. So now we write it down here. For 1, you know, is I. For 2 is 2I. For 3 it is 3I. But in Roman words, you cannot write it down all the same number more than 3 times. So here 1, 2 and 3. For 4 we cannot write a 4I. So we know 5, for 5 is a V. So we write it down here is a V. And if we have to find it out the before number, we have to write 5 minus 1. When we write any number before 1, then it is a before number. And when we write it down it after the Roman number, I is after number. Okay students, so here we have write it down V and before number I. So 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. And for the after number, after 5 is a 5 plus 1 is a 6. 5 plus 2 is 7. 5 plus 3 is 8. And again we cannot write it down here 9, because after 3 we cannot write it 4. Understand? After V we cannot write it down 4I. So we have to write some other number, but we know for the 10 is X. So yes, you are intelligent. Before we have to write it down, the before number of 10 is a 9. So that we have to deduct the 1I or 1 number from this X. So simple. When we write it down is X, before number write it down X minus I is a 9, and after number for the 11 is a X and I. Simple. You are too good students. Here X and before 1 I, so that 10 minus 1 is 9. Again is easy. 1I for 1, 2I for 2, 3I for 3. For 5 we write it down V, and we have to deduct it from the 5, so we write it down V minus 1 is a before number, and for before of the 5 is a 4, so this is IV. and after 5 is a 6, so VI 1I means 5 plus 1, 2i means plus 5 plus 2, 5 plus 3, and again x is for 10 and minus 1 is 9. Yes, exactly. So these are the basics 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4 IV, V, VI, VII, VIII, and IX. Again, we write it down. For the 10 is a X, because we know the X is for the 10. Again, for 10 we have to write it down 2x, x plus x. So this is for the x, this is for the x is a 2x, means is a 20. Similarly for the 30 we have to write it down 3 times x. So this is 30. And but we know here there is a 50 for L, so we write it down here L. And 40 we cannot write 4x, but we have to deduct 10 from the 50. So we know the L is for the 50 and we have to cut down, means deduct 10 from the 50, and for 10 is a x. So we write it before number. So this is the before number. Before x is XL. Okay, students. So again we can write it down here 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. So that again you can write it down, but we have to learn up to 50. For your knowledge, we can write it down L and plus 10 is X, is LX. L plus double X is 50 plus 20, 70. L plus triple X is 80. 50 plus 30. For 90 we cannot write again X, but for 100 is a C. Here I can write it down, 100 is a C. So we have to cut or deduct 10 from the 100. So this becomes 90. So C for the 100 and minus number minus 10 is for the XC. So here we have write it down 1 to 9 and 10 to 100. Okay, student. So it is easy for you. So you can randomly find out number, any number. Suppose we have to write 38. So that we have to add 30 plus 8. For 30 here we have 3x. Okay, and for 8 we have VIII. So we can combine this 30 plus 8. 30 plus 8 is equal to, for 30 is triple x and for 8 is VIII. It is easy. Okay, student. So now you can write 47 is 40 plus 7. 40 for 40 is XL and 7 is VII. So for 47 you can write down XL for 40 and VII for 7 is 47. Okay. Similarly you can write down 49. So 40 and 9 is a 49. For 40 is a XL and for 9 is IX. Similarly. Okay. So what we do is we can write down 1 to 50. Similarly 1, 2, 3. Yes. For 5 minus 1 IV, then V, then 5 plus 1 is VI is a 6, VII is a 5 plus 2 is a 7, VIII is 8, and we cannot write down again 4. So is X means 10 and minus 1 is IX. Okay. So here we can write in English words, English number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. For 10 is X. So we have to remember this number is 10. We have to remember this number 5. Okay. So after 10, here 10 plus 1 is 11. 10 plus 2 is 12. 10 plus 3 is 13. 10 plus 4 is 14. 10 plus 5 is 15. 10 plus 6, 10 plus 7, 10 plus 8, 10 plus 9, 10 plus 10 is 20. Here we have reached 20. Okay. 21, 22, 23, 20 and 4, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Yes, this is 9 and this is 20 and 30. Okay, students. So we have reached up to the 30 marks. Then 31, 32, 33, yes, 34, 35, 36, 37, 30 and 8, 30 and 9, 39 and 40. For 40 we have to wire. Okay. So this is 40. After 40, 40 plus 1, 41, 40 plus 2, 40 plus 3, 40 plus 4, 40 plus 5, 40 plus 6, 40 plus 7, 40 plus 8, 40 plus 9 and 50. Here it's a 50. So students, this is your common Roman numbers. Here how can you easily write it down, you know?